Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to fit jersey cap snap poppers with our green machine. So we'll start off by talking about our die set. So the jersey cap snap popper die comes in three different parts. We have this base die here, which is going to hold the cap. We have another base die here, which is spring loaded. This is going to hold the open ring, and we have a top die. This is going to hold both the female and the male parts. We'll screw this part into the machine straight away. I'm going to take my side, my base die that has the fittings for my cap, and we're going to pop that in the base. I'm going to take the cap, my jersey cap snap poppers, which looks like this, and you can see there's lots of spikes around it. That's because this is self-piercing. That sits on the base die with the spikes pointing upwards. At this point you can take either a male or a female. I'm going to take a female at this stage, and this is what that looks like. If I flip this over, I'll show you, this is the side that we want the spikes to actually go into. So we're going to turn it upright like so, and we're going to push this up into the top die, and that will hold it into place. I'm going to take some material. I have some cork fabric here. I want the cap to be on this side here, so I'm going to flip this upside down, pop it in between the two dies and compress. There's your female end, and that is the cap. Now we just need to swap over the base die. Again, we're going to take this base die here with the spring-loaded shaft in the middle and pop that into the bottom of the machine. We can take our open ring, which looks like this, place that over the shaft with the spikes pointing up, and then we can take our male end, and if I flip that round you'll see where the spikes are going to go, and we'll push that up again into that top die. Again, I'm going to keep my fabric upside down, pop it in between the two dies and compress. There's our male side, our open ring, and now these should just snap together. Just like so.